Hey there, I got this Brix 0 to 32 optical refractometer to monitor our coolant concentration, but I'm not quite sure how to get the most out of it. Can you help me understand how this works?
Absolutely. That's a great tool for maintaining your CNC coolant. The refractometer measures the refractive index of the coolant, which changes with concentration. This lets you monitor the coolant's strength and ensure it's at the optimal level for your machines.
I see, but how does it do that? And what's a refractive index?
The refractive index is a measure of how much light bends or refracts as it passes through a substance. Different concentrations of coolant will bend the light differently.
Interesting.
When you place a drop of coolant through the prism, the light passes through it and shows up on the scale inside the eyepiece. The reading you get corresponds to the coolant's concentration. With this refractometer, we open the lid, we place the coolant that we would like to be tested, we close the lid, then we place our lens towards the light source and read our reading.
Got it. So what's so special about the Brix 0 to 32 range?
The Brix 0 to 32 range is ideal for monitoring the concentration of CNC coolants. It's calibrated to give you accurate readings within plus or minus 0.2% accuracy. This precision is crucial for ensuring your coolant is neither too diluted, which can lead to tool wear and corrosion, nor too concentrated, which can be wasteful and potentially harmful.
And how do I actually read the scale?
Look through the eyepiece while pointing the refractometer towards the light source. You'll see a bright scale. The point where the light and dark fields meet on the scale is your coolant's concentration in Brix. The device also has a calibration lock nut to ensure it stays accurate over time.
And this grip feels secure even with these gloves on.
Yes, the textured sleeve is designed to prevent slips, a must in a shop environment. And with the protective carrying case, you can keep it safe from dirt and damage when not in use.
This will definitely make coolant checks quicker and more reliable, but what about maintenance for the refractometer?
It's pretty straightforward. Keep the prism clean and dry when not in use, and recalibrate periodically using distilled water to ensure ongoing accuracy. Your refractometer should serve you well for years with proper care.
Thanks, I feel much more confident about using this refractometer now. It's going to be a game changer for our coolant management.
Glad to help. Accurate coolant concentration is key to efficient machine operation and tool life. With this refractometer, you're well equipped to keep things running smoothly.